Use the rule of BODMAS. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Is equal to one times one divided by one times 3 is equal to multiplication 1 divided by 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is equal to multiplication. 3 is the correct answer.
राइट योर करेक्ट आंसर इन कमेंट। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन। चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा।